Careful.
My shack.
Hold your position.
You shall not pass into my shack.
Alpha, do not go past your A2 point.
Alright guys, set up here, system security.
Somebody say something on the radio so I can hear how loud it is.
Testing.
I see a full squad to the west-northwest.
That's probably Bravo.
They're just standing up there, I don't think so.
West northwest?
That is AAF's rifle squad.
Wait, no, I think those are enemies.
Oh shit, yeah, I think so.
enemies. Hey, we have contacts to our west. Full squad.
They're on top of the ridge.
Get a base of fire. If you have the shot, take it.
Alright guys, open fire.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Oh, fuck.
Alpha Bravo is coming in west square. Check eyes to the north.
I'm reloading.
Fall back a little bit.
All teams will fire to the north.
Friendly territory
They're still
direct
taking
north.
fire to our west. Let's push them.
Okay, I'm moving up to this next building.
You alright?
What?
You alright?
Around
Alright.
here.
Alright, blue team, move up to that little, the rocks in front of us to the west.
Entering. Hey, grab one of these slots.
Alright, Bootius, move up to this ridge.
Bravo, once we are clear here, we are pushing straight into town past our marker. We are go, go, go. Taking fire southwest. Get your men on that.
Hey, Booty, for future reference, try not to bunch up on people.
Gotcha, covered.
Oh, sorry.
No problem, no problem. We just want to try to keep a little bit of spacing so like one grenade doesn't take out like 8 people.
Right.
I'm sticking to that tree right to the left.
Alright, blue team, move forward a little bit.
And sir, moving to waypoint 3.
You are clear to move to waypoint 3. Push hard, push hard.
They 2 copies.
Alright guys, let's take this little goalie.
Alright,
On
white
me,
team,
on
let's
me,
move.
on me.
On me, Booty.
Use smoke to cover your advance into town. Use those GPs, FTLs.
This elephant grass is very helpful.
So's the ditch that it's in.
Havoc, where are we going?
Stand by, I'm putting some smoke out.
Taking fire direct west.
Alright, move west through the smoke. Keep your head down. Blue team, go. Alright, Buddhist, move.
Following you.
Reloading.
Alright, guys, good job, good job. Alright, we're gonna move up a little bit more.
All teams use
gonna bounce.
green smoke to mark your position so Bravo could shift their base of fire.
Hang on,
Green smoke, green smoke.
I'm gonna throw green smoke on us. Alright, blue team, bound forward.
Regardless if you see him, I don't need suppressing.
I'm hit.
Who's
You're
hit?
hit? Alright, get in that elephant grass. And damage.
Taunt. Hey, Helix, taunts hit, stand by. Fall back if necessary. Booty, go up there with Helix. Booty, you hear me?
Not really.
Go up there with Helix and help him out. While Taunt kills himself. Let me know when you're up, Taunt.
I'm up.
Copy. Catch up with Helix, and I'll catch up with you guys.
Alright, Alpha 1, let's start pushing forward.
All squads report in. I need a sit rep.
Alpha 1's at full strength.
Alpha 2's at full strength.
Mat 3 at full strength.
Good copy. Let's keep pushing. We're doing really good. We got a lot of kills already. We'll show these Bravo boys how we do it.
Alright guys, move forward and suppress fire.
Hey, I
at the
got
same
smoke
time.
out. You want to move to that building front to the right?
Let's do it, let's do it. Blue team, move forward to the building to the front right where Helix is talking. Hey, we got contacts to ridge to our right. Ridge to our right, get down, get down.
Marking smoke.
We got contacts to the northwest of the ridge.
PD, are you up?
Reloading.
Not go that way.
PD,
Not go that way.
Jesus. I'm hit.
Reloaded.
Alpha 1, let's move northwest.
Bandaging myself.
Cover in this house. Follow me.
I'm hit.
After 2 FTLs hit. Bandaging currently.
Check fire to the northwest. We've got Bravo 1 moving in.
A1, AR, I am bandaging. I'm hit.
Alpha 1's
One's taking a casualty and bandaging now.
Alpha 2, is everybody up?
I'm taking extremely heavy fire from the northwest.
Northwest. Be careful of your fire to the northwest. Bravo is up there currently.
Check fire to the northwest. We got Bravo 1 up there as well. They're putting down green smoke in a moment.
Hey Havoc, you got a morphine I can borrow?
I think I just used mine. I don't think I have any more.
Shit.
Alpha 2's throwing more smoke out to the west.
Anybody got some morphine?
Alpha,
Yeah, we really
gotta
need
push
to get
into
to
the
that
city.
building.
Let's go, go, go.
Hey, Alpha, PD is down. He's glitched so that it looks like he's standing, but he's down. I'm getting that.
Good
We
copy.
push? Shit,
Who's taking FTL?
Shit, get down.
Up.
Throw
Yeah,
some
man,
smoke.
down.
Get some smoke out, guys. Get some white
Man
smoke on
down.
top of us.
It's hard. Who's down? Who's down?
Right over there. It was Booty.
Where's he at?
Havoc, you okay?
I'm up. Do you have any smoke you can throw down right on top of us?
the smoke, but
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can't get them because I'm tic-tac here.
Throw some directly to our west. Just to give us some cover here. Oh, no. Taunt's down.
Tauntaun, are you okay?
Taunt's,
I'm about to lose
he's off my,
consciousness. Somebody got morphine?
shit. Throw some, yeah, okay.
We're
good.
still taking fire northwest. Bravo is not up there. We're taking extremely heavy targeted fire.
Good copy. Get fire up there. They're up at the compound. They're probably out of range, so take them out
Chuck
northwest.
some
Havoc, I gotta
grenades
go
over.
through this building. I'm not staying here.
Okay, chuck some grenades over and then run.
Careful, Helix. There's a person I saw there. I don't know if I killed him.
Helix, let me know when you get there.
Be advised, I think A1 is down entirely. Yeah, confirmed. A1
Helix,
is
you okay?
dead.
Shit. Helix!
Alpha, we're taking fire southwest now.
I'm alive!
Oh, come on.
Alpha.
Check me.
Still we going? What are we trying to hit with?
Moving to ASL's position.
Hang in there, Helix. Hang in there, buddy.
Can I confirm that all Alpha units are on my position
You
right
gotta
now?
be
at
kidding
Alpha
me.
Regroup point.
Alpha 3 are strong and Alpha 1.
Oh, you gotta be fucking
They're
kidding.
coming along the road,
Units along the road, Alpha.
Oh, come on, Helix. Come on, no! Ah.
Destroyed.
Havoc.
There you are.
You gotta clear the area first.
I know, I thought I did, and they started taking fire as soon as I started picking them up.
I
That's
lost
okay.
the player tags. What happens with that?
Why
How
is
do you get those
Helix
back on?
underwater? What?
You've got to go to first person view on somebody, hit the tags button again, and then go
Hold
to
on.
third person.
Oh, on an active player, okay.
Yeah.
Helix is underwater in the corner of the map, with all the
Yeah.
entities.
He just got teleported there because somebody was trying to pick him up.
He
when
just
they
woke
died.
up too.
There's like 16 birds.
Jesus Christ. I wake up and there's like 15 of them right there.
He's gotta be so confused.
Where am I?
You can see him looking around. He's just, what?
How do you go for? Oh, never mind.
The spectators should bug.